is to plead with this honorable house that this is truly an honorable house, and that when we are speaking and contributing, let us have respect for one another. I may not be speaking what you want to hear, but I need to speak anyway. So kindly, let us accommodate each other. Honorable Speaker, the object of Chapter 11 of the Constitution about devolution speaks and clearly separates two separate governments. We have a national government, we have a county government. The Bill of Rights in the Constitution also speaks out to the right of information. I am not informed that Kisii County, we are in Pokot. We are not in Kapedo. The demonstration of the GSU in the county simply gives an illustration that their security apparatus in the county have failed. I don't know, because literally what we are speaking when we see the GSU in the county, we are trying to portray our county that we have become ungovernable. I am not sure, as this honorable house, whether this is what we want other people to know about Kisii County. We truly understand that we have a government in place. And when we have a government in place, there are structures that are in place that must be exploited before we go to other levels. Remember, Kisii County is a county that are always, when people speak about the county of Kisii, they are talking about peace. And when we are trying to demonstrate and demonize our county that we have become ungovernable, I'm not sure whether that is how we want the assembly, the people of Kisii, to understand that we have really come ungovernable. I'm not sure whether that is where we want to go, honorable members. I want to speak to those who are in leadership positions and those that feel that they have more powers than others. We have a county to protect. I am not saying that because I want goons or insecurity to rise. But are we really exploited our own avenues instead of bringing in the GSU? These are some of the questions that honorable members I want us to ask ourselves. Let leaders respect other leaders. Let us not try to demonstrate that you have more powers than others. Everybody, our roles are cut out. I am an MCA. I can't be a member of parliament. Excuse me. I can't be governor of the county. We have a governor in this county. And if there are issues that need to be discussed, we should not just assume. And I want to ask, and let us be objective and sober. Which image do we want people, when they look at you as you are from Kisii, which image do you want them to see in you? I am requesting, this is a very emotive issue, and let us not smile because you feel so and so is doing very well. We have a county to protect, we have a governor. If he has failed, then there are issues, there are structures, we have a constitution that clearly stipulates what happens when this one has failed. I want to say, Honorable Speaker, that we are not doing very well as a county, and let us not be very happy on these issues when they come to the media that Kisii County now is under the GSU. It is not a good example. So let us respect those who are in leadership, and I have said, and I am going to say, repeat it again, we have a right to information. If our account has failed, if the governor has failed, let them bring him here. First of all, we discuss it. But don't start celebrating by bringing GSU to Kisii.
5 seconds.
We have people who are vulnerable, and we need to respect each other even as you look like you have more powers than others. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Leader Minority.